Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
PLR GoldMine review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this offer called the PLR GoldMine. So this is the PLR GoldMine review. Okay, right now we are on the sales page where it says the best way to make money online is with your own product, 3 dots. That's why we are giving you 5 of our best selling products complete with proven to convert sales pages and free traffic training so you can make money, 3 dots today. You get everything you need to make money right away. This is a complete business in a box. We will show you how to set up everything and make money. This is 100% newbie friendly. You will get full PLR rights to 5 of our top selling products. You will also get access to the sales material. All of the hard work has been done for you. The traffic training is included. Okay. Now I think this is an insane offer. Insane as in you are getting the massive value. This is me, by the way, saying it, because you will be getting these 5 products which you can resell in only $13. Okay, so if I come here and see, front end will cost you $13 and it will give you 5 products. They have more OTOs, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the charges. In this you will get more products. Okay, so for example, I think in OTO 1 you might be getting access to their 32 more products. Okay, so you will find more information when you go through the sales pages, and then you have their I guess some other training program as well. So, and these are the downsells. Okay, so let's say if you say no thanks to this, no thanks to this, then you will get the lower price. So always try to click on no thanks and get the cheaper price. Okay, now this is going to make me less money. For example, I told you just now, if you buy OTO 1 in 47, then I will make more money. But if you buy the downsell here in 17 only, I will make less money. However, in downsell in 17 means that the number of product will be less. For example, in OTO 147, you will get access to 32 products, and I am assuming in downsell it will not be 32, it might be 20 or maybe under 20. Okay. Anyways, you can check out the these sales pages before you upgrade. So I think this is a great value for people who are already in this niche of PLRs and making money online. Okay, because $13 is nothing for 5 ready-made digital products, and they're also going to give you the sales pages. So you just need to go and take their HTML file and host it on your domain by going into your cPanel. So I will not say this is completely newbie friendly, because you will need to know how to host your sales pages, and I hope that they will give you the training inside. And then they say free traffic training, so this is not their responsibility anyway. Okay, you cannot expect them to feed you for lifetime in $13, understand? So they are giving you access to 5 products which you can resell as per your brand name. You can change the name of their products, and you can put in your name, your company name, your brand name, and sell it as your own. They're giving you sales material, sales pages, thank you pages, which you will need to host on your domain and go through the, you have to design your funnel. So I'm telling you, you need to know how to do all this, or you might have to hire somebody. Okay, I hope they will give you the training inside, and after that you can sell them. Now you will have to maybe find that if you can resell these products on Warrior Plus here again or not. Okay, I'm not sure if let's see if I go through the questions at the bottom to see if you are allowed to resell them on Warrior Plus and JVZoo or not. So let's see here. PLR GoldMine newbie friendly. Will you show me how? Yeah, what traffic? This is blah blah blah. So they will show you the methods. Money back in 30 days. Click the button below. Okay. So they are not answering the question here that are you allowed to send these offers on Warrior Plus and JVZoo or not. So I can't answer that. If they have any maybe contact button, let me see if I can find anything about contacting them. So on the JV page there's nothing, but I'll find a way. So overview, and then I go to contact. Okay, now I have to right click, copy email, go to Google. I'm a smart person. You would never have been able to find his email. Okay, anyways, this is the email. In case you have any questions about this product, what is the name? GoldMine PLR. You can email to him on this wing24@hotmail.co.uk. He lives in the UK, I believe. Once he answers your questions, then you can go ahead and buy this thing from the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab PLR GoldMine copy here. Click on that link, come to the page, buy it from me because I have told you his email address. He did not tell you the email himself. Okay, now again, who is this for? Newbies. If you again are a little bit tech savvy, that you can host your products on your website or on Ria Plus, stuff like that. If you know all the technical process, you can go and buy this. Okay, but if you are a complete experienced marketer, then you don't have to think twice. You can go and buy the front end, or you can upgrade as well. And alright, so there's nothing much to talk and show you here. It's a simple business in a box, as they say. And if you buy this in how much? Let's see again. It was $13. Okay, $13, 5 products to resell. It's a good thing to start with. Okay, you don't have to go for OTOs all of a sudden. Okay, you go and pay them 13, get their 5 products, and then see if you can resell these 5 products and if you can make money with it. Okay, because making money is not about buying something and then keeping it to yourself. Making money is like making somebody else to buy from you. Okay, if you buy from me, I make money, you don't make anything for the moment. So when you tomorrow sell something to somebody else, then only you will make money, understand? So you will have to come at my place. At my place, as in I'm not inviting you here right now, you will need your visa and passport for that. So you have to come in my place, means you have to do what I do, because you have to generate traffic, you have to bring people to your offers, and if they buy, then only you make money. Okay, now you can either go and try this PLR business, that you go and sell PLR. Sell keyword is the most difficult thing here. Sell. Okay, if you can't sell, you will not make money. So you'll have to find people who will buy these PLRs from you. Okay, if you think it's easy for you, yes, you can go and bring people to buy PLR from a PLR offer from you. How? I don't know. Maybe you will go and spam Facebook. I don't know. Okay, so if you want to make money straightforward, I can't help you to tell that come on YouTube. Okay, it's not because I am on YouTube, it's because it makes money. It is because it makes money. Okay, why? Because other people, they come on YouTube, give you bonuses, you buy from them, they make money, you don't. You come here, you buy. Whether you don't buy from me, I would still make my money, or I already have made my money, because you have seen my video, you have seen some ads in my video. Those ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, because my YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, so if you check out this link, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, more details in the end. If you did not understand what I said, don't worry, I have got you covered in the end. Okay, so this Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing on YouTube. And then there is one more method saying make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is this currency graph: buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, we do this with the help of a software, so don't panic if you don't know what's going on here. Everything will be done by using a software, and you will be going through a training, and I will be giving the settings. So everything will be done after you learn everything. Okay, so not panic right now. And yeah, so let's do a recap here. This PLR GoldMine seems like a good offer if you know how to sell PLRs, or you had been searching for some ready-made digital products which you can sell as your own, and you already know how to bring traffic, or you want to sell these maybe on Ria Plus and this JVZoo. Again, you have to cross-check with the vendor. I have given you the email, so you can ask questions if you want to him, and then come back and buy from me. Okay, so what else do we have? So go and get this done. Go buy this if you are into PLR business already, or you want to give a try to sell these PLRs as your own. Okay, again, you can start with the front end. It's very cheap. 13 bucks for 5 products is very cheap. Okay, and if you have success, you can buy more from him. And in the end, if you do not want to get into PLR selling business, you find it difficult to go through a technical process, you know, you can't host the pages, domain hosting, then sales pages, thank you pages, you know, product delivery, bonus delivery. If you don't want to get into that technical stuff as of now, and you want to keep it simple, then I have some methods which I personally use, which makes me money. I've shown you. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy. These buttons are for you people, not for me. Okay, so now watch the video till the end I will show you how to make money using these methods personally. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, This is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits. Okay, when the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually. Okay, both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me. Okay, so choose whatever suits your situation. Okay, in the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.